wait, that should be a YouTuber. Wait. Not archives, but I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna talk in them. I'm gonna have webcam parts of me in them. And then I'm also gonna have me, like my in the background and stuff. This would be nice. You can't see your black ass, bro. Hold up. It says, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. If it would focus.